Hello, my crafty friends. Christy here from Crafty Christy's Creations. And today I just have a really quick tip in Silhouette Studio to help you get started faster. And I want to just show you this. Up on the file, you have this new project wizard. And when you open that, it gives you lots of different options to set up what would be your new page tab, already ready to go with the type of project that you want to do. So if you were going to do let's say a gift tag, so you would just click on that and hit start. It's going to open your next tab, and it's going to go ahead and place a basic gift tag shape onto your mat so you can go ahead and get started designing what you want. So let's just quickly kind of look at what's all here. So you can do just a regular blank document, which you can also just hit this plus sign, bring you the same thing. You've got a lovely card design here. This one starts with a 5x7. Embossing is here, and that does not work with the Cameo. I believe that is a Curio process. You've got your pick scan mat. It does the automatic registration marks for print and cut. Rhinestone panel, sketch panel, stamping, and stipple. So I just want to open this print and cut just to give you an idea what this looks like. So you will notice it used whatever size page that I had previously opened in my first one. So you do still have to adjust some settings in your page setup. Most of us are printing on letter size. And you can see it's really kind of goofed up the direction that it's going in. So I'm one of those people that would then come down here and change the orientation as well, just to make sure everything looks normal to what I'm used to. And then on your page setup, if you needed to adjust any of your insets, you still have to do things like that. But it does kind of get you started, which is really neat. So again, that is your file and new project wizard to get you started with a new page with some steps already taking place.